I know a place where we can go to lay the troubles down, eating your soul. I know a place where mercy flows. Take the stains, make you whiter than snow. Like a tide, it is rising up deep inside a current that moves and makes it come alive. Living water.
All right, so I've got our new alternator, and it bolts up right here. And the way this went in is you've got your bolt, and then you've got your bracket, slides right up there. Bolt goes right in. Your nut on the back. You don't want to tighten it up all the way yet, because you want it still to be able to slide, because we're going to have to put in our nut down here at the bottom. No, you can't see that. Let's see what I do here. So you got a nut down here at the bottom. This is what puts tension once you put the belt on. So we'll put the belt on the pulley, and then we'll pull this out, and then we'll tighten that down, and that'll keep it from pulling in. It'll keep tension on the belt. So my bracket needs to be adjusted a little bit because the old alternator was a different one. Okay, so we're going to loosen this bolt here, which will give us, it should allow this bracket to move just a little bit. So then we can put our, there we go. It's always a good idea to hand thread them as far as you can, just to make sure you're not stripping anything out or cross-threading anything as well. Anytime you force something, you should probably slow down and take another look at it. It usually means something's not right. Okay, so we'll go ahead and tighten that bracket back up over here. Do is we'll pull on this and give it some tension while we tighten it. You see that belt? It's nice and tight. Now all we got to do is hook up our electrical, and the alternator should be good to go. Okay, so we've got our electrical to do now. So we got our positive battery cable, which will go right on that one right there. It's underneath here. We've got our red goes to our red connection here. These are the ones that were cut. In case you can't see those, there's another one right there. If you can't see them, I apologize. It's kind of tight. It's a boat. And then my negative goes right up over here. Okay. I think I've got it.
I know a place where we can go to lay the troubles down, eating